This secluded stepless ranch STLYLE home is inside the perimeter in the heart of Sandy Springs on +/1.030 acres. Home has granite counters in the kitchen, courtyard and a wooded backyard and massive full unfinished walkout basement. Wonderful private and public schools, minutes from shopping, restaurants and Highway I-285 and 400, taxes $10,154 for 2013. Sold AS's info deemed reliable but not guaranteed, up to 3% closing costs paid by FHA HUD. Listing courtesy of Home Realty Incorporated. See all HUD homes nationwide on HUDHomestore.com. If you have a realtor, please give them case ID number 105 to 564,749 and have them check availability. If you don't have a realtor, contact buyer's agent Rick Duding about this home. Visit our featured listings for more photos, images, and information. Tired of hearing it's sold or under contract? My clients get real-time MLS listing market updates every 30 minutes with fresh new listings to the Metro Atlanta, Georgia market, price reductions and homes back on the